In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily make sticker designs in Canva with this quick start tutorial. If you've ever wanted to create custom stickers for fun, for sale, or for promotional purposes, Canva makes it a breeze with its user-friendly platform. Let's jump right into it and I'll walk you through each step. First, open your browser and navigate to Canva's official website. If you don't already have a Canva account, this is a good time to create one. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, locate the Create a Design button on the homepage. This button is your gateway to all the design templates Canva offers, so click on it to get started. Now that you've clicked on Create a Design, you'll be presented with a variety of format options to choose from. For making sticker designs, you'll want to focus on the option titled Sticker Circle. Canva provides this convenient template specifically for sticker creation, ensuring your design is perfectly rounded. Click on Sticker Circle, and you're one step closer to creating your masterpiece. Once you're inside the editing interface, it's time to choose the sticker elements you'd like to use. Canva offers a plethora of graphics, symbols, and text options that are perfect for designing stickers. To select a sticker, scroll through Canva's extensive library. Spot something you like, simply drag and drop the element into your design space. This intuitive drag and drop feature is what makes Canva so accessible, even for beginners. You can play around with the sizing, positioning, and even colors of the elements to suit your preferences. With your elements in place, it's time to unleash your creativity and make the design uniquely yours. Adjust the colors to match your theme or mood, play around with different fonts, and don't be afraid to experiment with layering graphics for a dynamic look. Remember, stickers can be as simple or as intricate as you wish, so feel free to explore and iterate on your design until you're completely satisfied. Once your sticker design is finished, it's time to bring it into the real world. Download your creation by clicking the download button at the top right hand corner of the screen. Canva allows you to save your design in several formats, but for stickers, a high quality PNG file is usually the best choice for maintaining image clarity. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to create your own sticker designs using Canva. Whether it's for personal use or for sharing with others, designing stickers is not only fun, but also incredibly rewarding. Play around with different themes and styles, and most importantly, have fun with the creative process. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial, and happy designing.